Yes, my people, how are we doing? I hope we're all doing well. So this is video number 2. We are outside King's Gym again today because I'm a member here, obviously. This is day 4 on the fat load. So we have currently gone the last 4 days with no carb. You're gonna see some clips edited into this earlier. Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Anyway, this is my pre-workout meal. Now, obviously you guys would have seen from the previous video that my pre-workout meal was oats with banana. That was actually a refeed. We are currently into day 4 of the fat load. And what that means, guys, is that we've got minimal carbohydrates other than literally the veggies you'll see me put in here. Special orders from the coach today actually to add more veggies in. I think just because I've been a little bit constipated. Just a few more vegetables. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm just chucking some extra tomatoes into some spinach and some kale. I don't know if you can see that, you probably can't, but yeah. Spinach, kale, tomatoes, I literally just said that. And then on this side we have our egg white. Now, the reason I've got an egg white cooking by itself is because we're fat loading. We have 4 whole eggs as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook that, fold it onto one side of the plate, pan. Then I'm going to put the 4 eggs, the whole eggs on the side and fry them. Then what I'll do is I'll put all of the veggies underneath, which we'll see in a moment, and the result, sublime. Yes, so this is what I'm saying. Basically what you do is you put the kale and the spinach and the tomatoes at the bottom. You've then got egg whites under that. You've got your 4 whole eggs. And then what I do, you guys are going to find this disgusting, but prep, is I actually use one of these skinny sauces to add on top. It's like sweet and savoury. Now, to be fair, there are quite a few different sauces I've used. I've got lower calorie ketchup. I've got this sauce. Do not sleep on this sauce. The Nando's lemon and herb bangs. It works really, really well with eggs as well. Got sriracha. We can mix it up, but for me right now, I want that sort of sweet and salty texture. So I'm going to be using this one. Sorry, no, I'm not going to use this one. This is salted caramel. That wouldn't work. I'm going to use golden syrup, skinny sauces. Get at them, get at them. They should really sponsor me, to be honest, but yeah, I'm gonna sit down and eat this now, and then we're gonna head to the gym and meet Matt. Today is just gonna be a nice pumpy session, lots of blood flow, high reps. We've got free reign of the gym. So that's pretty much it. Let's go and train. Guys, for nat training, little tip, watch my elbow position. Far too many people drive their elbow way too far back when you're trying to train lats. Keep your elbow in front of your body, and when you're doing this, think about driving it into your quad. Such a better contraction. There. This is a depletion session, high reps, getting a pump, getting some blood flow. Guys, we're literally 5 days out now, so I'm not going to be hitting any PBs, but it is what it is, baby. It's all what's up for this week. Let's fucking get it.
How you feeling last exercise?
How am I feeling?
Yeah.
I'm dead inside, bro.
I am dead inside.
Nah, I'm loving it, to be fair. It's, you know what? Yeah, I'm turbo fucked. But I was just saying to Matt, there's one thing that Prem has taught me, it's just commitment, man. Like, never would I have thought when I first joined the gym, when I was training at Rainbow Ledge Centre, like lifting all these different weights, that I'd be in the position I'm in today. So, yes, I'm tired, yes, I'm hungry, yes, I'm low energy, but it sounds soppy, but I'm just so grateful. I'm just so grateful to be doing what I love, training in the gym, creating this YouTube channel, helping out people. Like, mate, it actually makes me low-key emotional, I can't even lie. But yeah, I'm okay, I'm okay. Friday, shoot, Tuesday, shoot, and then we get those games, boy. So yeah, I'm good. Hello there. We are back from the gym. I'm pretending that I'm not absolutely dead inside right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a post-workout meal. This is the highest carb meal with our fat load. I say carbs, it's literally just some vegetables. Anyway, Christian said that he wants me to have a little bit more veg with this meal just to sort of aid my digestion. Because we are fat loading and then from tomorrow we're going to be carb loading, every single meal that we have is like minimal carbs, much higher fat content, and I'm actually going to be chucking this on. If you guys are looking at adding fats, to be honest, this is more so for like bulking or off-season or whatever you want to call it. This oil is absolutely sensational. It just adds like an extra little element to the meal. So yeah, what we've done, allow my heart rate to drop, chilled for a little bit, messaged a few clients. I'm gonna shout some of them out right now. So clients, if you're listening, here's some shout out. Adam, congratulations. In all seriousness, Adam, my client Adam's been working with me for 5 weeks now. He's managed to drop 2 sizes on his trousers for a wedding he's going to be going to, which is absolutely amazing. Another client I was just speaking to, Charlotte, has lost 5 kg in 5 weeks, which is sensational. Another client of mine, Pauline, Mrs. Getting It Done, I hope you're watching this, is preparing for her London to Brighton bike ride and is absolutely killing it. And to be honest, I could stand here all day talking about it, but what I'm trying to say, guys, is that from heading to the gym, coming back, I'll jump on my phone, get back to some clients, and yeah, the team are killing it. So, gonna wait for this to cook, and then we will crack into our post-workout meal.
Chill, boy. Leave me alone. Jules is right there. Jules is still close to it. It's going for me.
It's actually insane how much of this Christian wants me to have. It was this or salmon, and personally, I think that salmon tastes like someone has just got the floor and just shat on it.
Front them, you get no information. We're trying to show what he actually...
Meal 3 of the day is now finished. Honestly, I can't tell you how satisfying that meal was. Obviously, when you're dieting, right, you want to have as much volume in your meals as you possibly can, because it's just going to fill you up so much more. So where I've been given the green light to add more veg, just because, quite frankly, we needed it. Super filling meal to have post-workout, and I would always advise for your post-workout meal, you are having a large amount of carbohydrates anyway. But yeah, time is currently 3:30. Finished meal 3, we're going to chill for a little bit, and what we're going to go into now, guys, is I want to basically allow you guys to take something away from this video, where you're going to understand what it really takes to get shredded, because you see these people on Instagram like 6-pack in 6 weeks and here's my shredding diet and yada yada yada, but I want to go a little bit deeper. I want to keep it real. I want to give you some actual actionable tips that you can use from this video. So let's get straight into it. Hey guys, so my top tip 4, getting into the shape of your life. Think more about your internal motivators as opposed to your external motivators. Yeah, sure, getting lean, revealing your 6-pack, dropping 20, 30, 40 pounds, feels and looks great, but why do you really want to do this? What difference is this really going to make to your life, you know? Do you find that you're struggling with a lack of confidence? You know, maybe you've just come out of a career or out of a relationship that made you feel a little bit crappy, or you feel like you've had your confidence dented recently. If you can focus on these elements as to why you want to change and what it's really going to mean for you and the difference it's going to make in your life, when you're struggling and when you have those tricky days, you're going to be a lot more likely to pull through. So, the next thing I'd say, guys, is getting your environment set for your transformation. Now, I'm very fortunate. I've got an amazing group of friends. I've got lots of coaching friends. I've got friends that aren't even into the gym, but they're all very understanding and very supportive of my process. My girlfriend Hannah, unbelievably supportive of the process. So is my mum and my brother. But one thing that can throw a lot of people off is people in their life that don't quite understand their goals and don't quite understand what they're looking to achieve. Now, don't get me wrong, not everybody's quite going to be on the same page that you are, but if you can surround yourself with like-minded individuals, get out there, get networking, get speaking to people that are doing similar things to what you're doing. And that's exactly what we've built within Team LF. You know, we've got the community page and the Facebook page and the WhatsApp chat, and everybody's always there to support each other. You know, I can guarantee you after we've recorded this today, I'll go back in the WhatsApp chat and people will be dropping like recipe ideas and stuff like that. So there's one thing I'll say, guys, for your own transformation: fix your environment as best you possibly can to allow yourself to flourish. Okay, so next thing I'll say, guys, is setting up your diet for success. Now, it's really easy to see that, you know, I've gone through this last 20 weeks and I've been reducing my calories, increasing my cardio, but what you don't see is all of the work that's gone in prior to that. Building up my calorie base, building up my strength in the gym, building that base of muscle that means that when we do diet down, we've got something that we can actually reveal. So you want to spend as long as you possibly can in a calorie surplus, steadily increasing those carbohydrates to make sure that when you do start your diet, it's an easier transition into the prep, into the shred, and into that process you're looking to go through. So there's one thing I'll say from this, guys, is don't necessarily just dive straight in. Set those foundations first of all, and you'll smash it. Finally, if not now, then when? If there's one thing I'll say, I've put off doing this photo shoot again and again and again. I put off becoming a coach for years because I just lack the confidence in myself just to take a risk and go for it. Guys, I've given you all these tips, but not everything's always gonna be perfect. I, off the back of this, would really say, just start. Just take action. Just stop getting in your own head and giving yourself all these excuses of, oh, my work's busy and this and this and this, because honestly, guys, you'll never end up just taking that opportunity. Please, if there's something you do off the back of this video, start your own journey, because you will thank yourself so much for it and you'll be so glad that you took that risk and you went ahead with it. Yes, my people. So this is the last time you're going to see me, unless you look at me on Instagram. Last time you're going to see me before we do our photo shoot, which is going to be the next YouTube video. But this was how to get shredded. I hope you've enjoyed the video. We got some juicy pumps today in the gym. So the next video that you are going to see, I am going to be at my photo shoot. It's been 20 weeks of work, 20 weeks of dieting, all of the steps, all of the cardio, all of that jazz. So I'm absolutely buzzing to share it with you. And Matt's going to be coming along with us to get some behind the scenes content. So look out for that. It's going to be coming very, very soon. But guys, if you enjoyed the video today, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment below, hit that subscribe button, literally just fucking hit that subscribe. And then what Matt's going to do is, if you've not watched the previous videos, he's going to put it somewhere here. It could be here, it could be here, it could even be over here. I just don't really know. But if you could do that, that would be amazing, guys. And yes, I love you all. Have an amazing rest of your day, and goodbye. Right, it's recording. Right, sick. Okay, so, start again. I realised I don't look there, I look there. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Have another go.
Okay. Oh, you know, I got to chop all this weight because that's no good for anyone. Fuck off.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Extreme!
Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.